Dr. Yokouchi, a busy medical professional, yearned for an escape. Nestled amidst the leafy woods of Minamigaoka Karuizawa, not far from a tranquil golf course, the Yokouchi Residence, designed by Kidosaki Architects Studio, offered exactly that. The architects envisioned a building that coexisted with the surrounding nature, keeping its profile lower than the treetops. This philosophy extended to the interior as well. Mrs. Yokouchi desired a visual haven, a space where the expansive living area seamlessly blended with the calming green of the woods. Kidosaki Architects Studio achieved this by employing a deep eaves design with a staggering 1,700 mm depth. This not only created a large, unified living space but also acted as a natural conduit, bringing the verdant outdoors into the heart of the residence. The meticulous detailing on the edge of the eaves contributed to a sense of lightness, making the entire roof appear to float effortlessly above the structure. The barrier-free design of the rooms allowed for a seamless flow throughout the house. Each room served as a picture window, framed by the deep eaves and the expansive deck. The view from any vantage point was carefully curated, ensuring a constant connection with the surrounding greenery. This deliberate design choice fostered a sense of harmony. The Yokouchi Residence wasn't just placed in the woods, it felt like an integral part of the vibrant ecosystem. Stepping into the Yokouchi Residence wasn't just entering a house, it was entering a sanctuary, a place where the pressures of everyday life melted away, replaced by the tranquility of nature. The architects at Kidosaki Studios had successfully achieved the perfect balance, creating a home that offered both visual and physical respite, a testament to the power of harmonious design. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the Yokouchi Residence, a masterpiece of architectural harmony. If you found this video inspiring, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more captivating architectural explorations. Remember, architecture is not just about buildings, it's about creating spaces that evoke emotions and inspire the human spirit. Stay tuned for more architectural wonders.